Hi friends, Elizabeth Reynolds Turnage here again today with day, I think I said the wrong day yesterday, but 24, we're on day 24 in our 60 days of restoration hope. And yesterday we looked at the story of Naomi and how she became bitter in the midst of crisis. And today we are going to look at the story of Ruth and what gave her courage in the midst of crisis. So, thank you for joining me, and I hope this is good news for you today. I know many of us in the Southeast are recovering from yet another storm, and some people are still without power, and more damage, and more debris, and more things to clean up. So, I hope that this gives you some hope if you are one of those people that is in that place and wherever you are and whatever you're facing today. Courage for crisis. Wherever you go, I will go. Wherever you live, I will live. Your people will be my people, and your God will be my God. Ruth 1:16. Ruth had no good reason to follow Naomi. When Naomi decided to return to Bethlehem from Moab, she released her two daughters in law, telling them she had no hope to offer them. Orpah departed. Ruth remained. Why? Ruth's profound proclamation of commitment to Naomi gives us a clue. Your God will be my God. Ruth 1:16. Ruth was raised in Moab, where people worshipped many pagan gods. But there was something that drew her to sojourn in the land of her deceased husband's God. She might not have known it yet, but she would know it soon. God, by His grace, had planted a seed of faith in Ruth that would grow into redemption for many people. Ruth's willingness to risk traveling into unfamiliar territory reminds us of the heroes of faith described in Hebrews 11. Faith bolsters courage to venture into the unknown, even or especially in seasons of crisis. By God's grace, through faith, Ruth courageously moved into many unknown places. She traveled to Bethlehem, a land she didn't know, with a hope that wasn't assured. Ruth 2:16. She stooped to glean in the field of a stranger, making herself vulnerable to assault, trusting that God would provide sustenance for her and Naomi. Ruth 2:2-18. She lay on the threshing floor of Boaz, going along with her mother-in-law's strange plot to procure a husband. Ruth 3:1-5. She reached far beyond Naomi's plan to actually propose marriage to Boaz. Ruth 3:8-9. Make no mistake, Ruth's actions were risky, extremely unconventional in her culture. Her courage came from her simple but sound faith. Her faith likely came from her remembrance of redemption stories Naomi's family had told. She trusted this redeeming God, believing He would redeem again. And He did. Ruth's courage compels us to ask, how will we face crisis and loss? Will it be with the courage of faith? Will we keep taking steps into unknown, unfamiliar territory, trusting that the Lord Almighty is at work, orchestrating redemption and renewal? We have far more reason than Ruth to risk action. Ruth's kinsman redeemer was a man. Our kinsman redeemer is Jesus. Boaz paid a price, a sum of money, to redeem Ruth. Jesus paid a higher price, the sum of his life, death, to redeem us. Yes, we have reason to risk, the courage of faith to move into crisis with humility and hope, with love and loyalty. God, by His grace, has grown the seed of faith in us. Let us bear the fruit. Prayer. Our mighty God, we come to You, seeking the courage of faith that only You can give us. Strengthen us to go to the unfamiliar places, to love in unfamiliar ways, Help us to trust that you are writing your love story in our lives through our bridegroom. Amen. Further encouragement, read Ruth 1 through 4. Listen to Lead On, O King Eternal by Sarah Groves. For reflection, what actions do you need to take that will require the courage of faith? List 2 to 3 here and write a date by which you will have completed them. Then ask God to give you the faith you need. Thanks for joining me today for 60 Days of Restoration Hope. And I hope this encouraged you. If it did, please check out the book. Please share it with somebody who might need a message of hope today. And I will see you again tomorrow.